We live in a climatic zone that makes us vulnerable to rainfall and earthquake, and we have to take responsibility for our vulnerability. Countries that achieve for their citizens take responsibility for their vulnerabilities. They don't leave themselves exposed or wait for other countries to come to their assistance. We became the first small country to launch a catastrophe bond, covered 3 hurricane season. We got support from the World Bank and from the governments of the UK, the US, and Germany, who paid 100% of the premiums for the first 3 years. And we'll always be grateful to them for that. And what we said to them in our pitch, when we went to pitch it to them, was that when it matures, we will, out of our own resources, continue to provide that protection for Jamaica. As night follows day, at some point, it's going to be necessary to have it. Just make sure that when that day comes, whoever is at the helm at the time has renewed this degree of protection. We're also creating a national disaster fund. We've already tabled the legislation in Parliament, and the idea is to capitalize that fund every year until it gets to about $10 billion. We intend to leave a legacy of national wealth, right? Where we have buffers put away for rainy days, like natural disasters and so on. And so in this budget, Madam Speaker, we are putting funds into that national disaster fund.